Swagatam, Swagatam, Suswagatam. I request today's Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, to do Goddess Saraswati Pujan and worship the photo of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. करूया वंदन सरस्वतीला, कला निविद्या देई तू सकला. तुझीच सेवा सदा घडावी, तुझीच मूर्ती मनी वसावी. तुझ्याच ठाई वसोलीनता, करूया वंदन सरस्वतीला, करूया वंदन सरस्वतीला. Mother, we pray for your blessing with all humanity. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature. Thank you very much. I request all respected members to have a seat. Good morning to all. Today we are assembled here to celebrate Teachers' Day. This day is very special for a creator, a director, a kingmaker, an artist, a philosopher, and a real hero of the society. Who is a teacher? Every year, the date 5th September, birth date of late President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, is celebrated as Teachers' Day. This day is celebrated across the country by the students to thank their teacher for their incredible support and guidance. On behalf of, I welcome today's Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, and who are present here. In honor guests and all respected members, I would like to call my friends to present welcome song. Very nice, my friends. Now it is the time to greet today's chief guest and all respected members. I request to greet chief guest with bouquet. Thank you very much, sir. Teachers motivate us to do better in life. They produce excellent doctors, engineers, players, musicians, artists, etc. So to speak few words about teachers on behalf of all the students, I would like to call my friend from Standard. Let's welcome him. Thank you very much. Really, this day is very special and important for teachers because their great dedication to nation. Teachers spend all their time and life in educating and helping students to become good human beings. That is why this day is great for making them feel appreciated and loved, as it does not happen every day due to the busy schedule. Now it is the time to felicitate our teachers. Hence, I would like to call senior students, my friends from 10th standard, to felicitate them. Thank you very much all my friends and wish you all my teachers happy Teachers' Day. After this memorable function, I request today's chief guest to express his thoughts. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause. Thank you very much, sir. We all are feel very thanks to your guidance. We are feel very proud to have such a great chief guest today's function. Thank you very much, sir. Honorable chief guest, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Today we have a wonderful function on occasion Teachers' Day, and this function was graced by the presence of our chief guest, principal sir, teachers, and you all. On behalf of, I want to express my thanks to all of you for gracing this program. Thank you so much and have a nice day.